The exterior of the home is the first thing buyers see. Aesthetics matter, and Rockaway's outdoor living experts deliver curb appeal and create positive first impressions. For over 15 years, we've been a trusted partner for Northeast Florida developments, working with project engineers and site planners, providing comprehensive solutions from concept to completion. We're proud to be a preferred vendor for builders such as Toll Brothers and many custom builders. We are experts in creating outdoor living spaces that complement your new development aesthetics. We take every aspect of the project into consideration, including pre-construction site analysis, design, plant selection, and sourcing. We pride ourselves on excellent communication throughout the landscape design and maintenance process. Considering the high area water table, we offer a full complement of drainage solutions, including everything from French drains and swales to subsurface stormwater detention systems. Rockaway carpenters and landscapers provide custom decks, enclosed porches, outdoor kitchens, fencing, hardscaping, softscaping, water features, outdoor sound, lighting, and synthetic turf. Rockaway's in-house experts include a licensed landscape architect, certified arborist, experienced plant scientist, and an entomologist. Our tree mitigation services include tree inspections and risk assessments focused on thoroughly examining trees for any defects while assessing the tree's susceptibility to pests and wind to ensure their health and the safety of your property. Our veteran project managers and foremen leverage cutting-edge technology while working in unison with other subcontractors on clean work sites. We deliver work on time and with daily progress reports. Our irrigation expertise includes the installation and operation of weathermatic controllers, weather sensors, and SmartLink software for sustainable irrigation management. We're proud to have earned the trust of some of the most respected organizations in the region, including Mayo Clinic, Cummer Museum, City of Jacksonville Beach, Atlantic Beach, Neptune Beach, and the St. John's Town Center. Our deep understanding of local regulations and established relationships with builders, permitting authorities, and architectural review boards streamline the approval process. From initial design and installation to long-term maintenance, Rockaway Inc. offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the unique needs of your projects with 24-hour emergency response and easy access to billing and reports through our client portal. For custom residential outdoor living construction, we bring expertise to every project, whether it's a sprawling estate or a cozy backyard retreat. Whether you're developing a commercial complex, a residential community, or a mixed-use development, we are here to provide the expertise and resources to create your exceptional outdoor living spaces.